Hi Kirby fans, so today we're going to be boxing up those giveaway Kirbys for when this giveaway gets drawn at 4,000 subscribers. So what we'll do is jump straight to it. Now don't forget, everything you use in my videos, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. Make sure you check those out. So let's jump into today's video. What we're going to be doing is packing away that G6 and that Sentria giveaway, ready to be shipped to their new owners, ready for when they get drawn. Now if you haven't already entered, there's a few more places left. There's going to be some more questions going up as well, so make sure you get in that draw. Make sure you are subscribed and your subscription open to enter to win one of these machines. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so as I said at the beginning of the video, it's time to box these up. We're literally 1,000 subscribers away from these getting given away. So again, it's going to be an amazing prize for whoever wins them. Like I said, with the giveaway, it's going to be the first 5 people to answer the correct answers in those questions that go up. And then when we hit 4,000 subscribers, there'll be one more chance to get in, then get 5 more in there. So when we hit 4,000 subscribers, all the names will go in the pot. There'll be a spinny wheel like I did with 1,000 subscribers. The first person's name to get pulled out will get a pick of which Kirby they want, and then the second person that gets pulled out will get the remainder Kirby. So whether you want the Sentria or the G6, it's your choice when you are that first person's name to be pulled out. So what we'll do is we'll start by getting this Sentria 1 box up and putting it in a Sentria 2 box, because that's all I have. I have got the original box for the G6, so I will be putting that in the G6 box. So what we'll do is dive in and start getting these stripped down and boxed away.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for.
If you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. So I think Sentria's packed away in that box. You see, it's quite simple to pack away if you're a bit of a collector. Now the G6 goes in a little bit different. Now I find these really a lot simpler to pack away, purely because I just demonstrate the G3s, and I just find that I know how they go. So what we'll do now is jump back in and get this packed up and in the box ready to ship.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. it, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
So now we've got our G6 and our Sentria ready to ship. So you can see that the G6 is a lot easier to pack away. The Sentria is a little more fiddly, only because Kirby changed the design of the machine and they had to figure out a way of getting it to fit in there, and once you figure it out, it's quite simple. Now don't forget, everything you use in my videos, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. I hope you enjoyed that quick boxing up instead of an unboxing, but as you can see, it's a really simple thing to do. G6, I said, is a lot more easy to pack away than the Sentria. The Sentria was a little more tricky, only because Kirby changed the design. So I was more used to packing away a G3, which is the G series anyway. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content and contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.